Now, as we saw from those reactions, the world is really divided when it comes to reacting to the US strike. Some celebrated the move, some condemned the move, including key US allies. This report breaks down the details of all the world reactions in this story.
Bombs raining down in the dead of night, a detained president and a country thrust into chaos. The US launched strikes against Venezuela, sending shockwaves far beyond Latin America. Much of the world calls the move illegal and dangerous, while others celebrated an act that liberated Venezuela. Global reactions reveal a world deeply divided over power, precedent, and international law. Russia condemned the operation as armed aggression, accusing the US of violating Venezuelan sovereignty. China too followed, accusing the US of destabilizing an already fragile region, while Iran called out another case of US unilateralism. In Europe, responses were cautious yet uneasy. The European Union urged restraint and said any change in Venezuela must be peaceful and lawful. Spain offered to mediate, while France called US military action illegal. The UK PM Keir Starmer made it clear UK was not involved in the US strikes on Venezuela. At the United Nations, the Secretary General warned Operation risks setting a dangerous precedent, one that could weaken the very rules meant to prevent global conflict. Across Latin America, reaction was sharply split. Cuba labeled the operation criminal, accusing Washington of state terrorism. Mexico, Colombia, Brazil too condemned a move they called an assault on international norms. Back in the United States, Democrats across Washington slammed Trump's move, calling the military operation reckless, illegal, and a dangerous overreach. New York Mayor Zohran Mamdani condemned the strikes as an act of war. Yet many celebrated Trump's decisive move. Israel welcomed the strikes and Maduro's removal. Argentina too broke ranks, welcoming the end of an authoritarian rule in Venezuela. Venezuelan opposition leader and Nobel Prize winner Maria Corina Machado hailed the US operation, calling Maduro's capture a historic turning point and a step towards restoring democracy in Venezuela. From Moscow to Mexico, the reaction is clear. This is not just about Venezuela, it is about whether powerful nations can decide the fate of weaker ones. And what happens to international law when the strongest decide to break them? Bureau Report, NDTV.